Welcome to how to earn money from Canva tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money by creating school lesson slides. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So this method is about creating school lessons, then you can upload it to a teaching seller website. So the best site to sell you teaching slides in is the Teachers by Teachers site. It's the biggest known market for selling school lessons. So you will search for school lesson slides. Then here you will find a lot of school lesson slides. You can choose any template like this one. It's a good one. You can press on customize this template. Then you will create the lesson here. You can choose any other template if this one doesn't fit this lesson. Kids love this type of teaching, so you can change the lesson here like class 1 English language and arts is a cool fit. You can change this template to any other thing you want to do. Goals, you can add something like this one, goal 1, goal 2, goal, and you can manipulate the type of text, the bullet points, and anything you want. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.